We're so excited that you're having a tummy tuck at New Life Cosmetic Surgery. One of the things that we want to talk about is just the recovery process. And in the recovery process, it's different for every single person. So with a lot of people, what we say is that the first few days, you're definitely going to need to have some type of family member around. So for the first 2 to 3 days, we want to have that family member around the house just to help you get up, get about, make sure you're eating and drinking enough protein and things like that. After 2 to 3 days, you're normally able to manage most things at the house by yourself. You're normally going to be able to drive between 7 to 10 days. Sometimes it could be a little bit longer, but generally 7 to 10 days you'll be able to drive. Normally you'll be able to go back to do your shopping, not lifting heavy things, but going to the market, getting some food at normally around the 2 to 3 week mark. And then normally at the 6 week mark is when you're able to start going back to the gym and doing some activities there. The other important things that we'll explain to you throughout the process is, making sure you're eating for sure at least 100 grams of protein, making sure you're staying very hydrated afterwards, making sure that you're taking a stool softener really early on. Starting the first day after surgery, we want you to take a stool softener. And my recommendations is generally if you take a gentle stool softener, if you've not had a bowel movement for 1 to 2 days, which is pretty common, to start taking something like milk of magnesia over the counter, because constipation can be really uncomfortable. And you're normally not going to have so much incision pain, but you're going to feel very bloated and constipated. So making sure that you're dealing with that constipation is important. Activity levels, the first week, we just want you up and around the house, just kind of walking around, making sure that you're getting up and moving frequently throughout the day. Resting, we just want you to be able to make sure that you're lying and generally not straight on your tummy, but on your sides, making sure that you're really getting good sleep, as much sleep as possible. So we'll go over any questions that you have, but those are the basics that we want you to know about if you're having a tummy tuck with New Life Cosmetic Surgery.